All you want to know about Korean names. What it looks like. In general, it has 3 letters. For example, 김연아, 봉준호, 김연경. Here, everyone has 3 letters for their names. 1 shows the family name and 2 are the first name. So with the name 김연아, Kim is her family name and Yeona is her first name. Yes, in Korea, family name comes first, so it's not Yeona Kim, but Kim Yeona. In rare cases, there are family names with 2 letters or first name with a single letter or more than 2 letters. The actor Nam Kung-min has double letter for his family name and a single letter for his name, Min. And Park Se-roy, a main character of the Korean drama Itaewon Class, he has 3 letters for his first name. In general, you receive your father's family name. Kim's son will be Kim Ji-nu. But it's still possible to follow the mother's family name or both parents' family name. Kim and Choe's son, Kim Choe-Ji-nu. It's rare but possible. Yeah, I said the mother's family name. Why? Because in Korea, women keep their family name even after they got married. So, Choe's son Kim Ji-nu is a correct expression. Choe is Kim Ji-nu's mother. The most well-known Korean family name is Kim. About 21% of the Korean population have the family name Kim. And every family name has its 본관. 본관 shows the region where your ancestry has started. So, among many Kims, there are Kim from Kimhae or Kim from Gyeongju, etc. Kimhae, Gyeongju, both are the name of a city in Korea. So, the conclusion, having the same family name doesn't necessarily mean that they are the same family. Every family name has its Chinese character. For Kim, Kim stands for this Chinese character which means gold. The marriage of the same 본관 people wasn't allowed by the law, but since 1997, the same 본관 marriage is possible if the couple is further than 8촌, 8촌. 촌 is a term to show a relationship between family members. The smaller the number is, the closer your biological relationship is. So here is a simple family tree. Each single line counts as 1촌, 1촌. There's a 1 line above mother to grandmother and grandfather. So parents and a child is 1촌, 1촌. Meanwhile, me and brother. There's a single line above each me and brother. In total, 2 single lines. So, me and brother are 2촌, 2촌. As a result, 8촌, 8촌 is a quite far person from you. First name, 이름. In most cases, Koreans have 2 letters for the first name. 1 letter is shared by the same generation of the family, and the other one is given only to you. Each letter has a Chinese character with a certain meaning. Let me explain you with the family tree of Kim Ji-nu. Ji-nu has a sister, Ji-na, and he also has 2 cousins, Jin-ho and Jin-su. Did you notice that a certain sound, certain letters are repeating among these 4 people? Yes, it's Jin. Jin is the letter for their generation. Let's go to the upper generation. Jino's father's name is Ju-young, and Jinu-jina's father's name is Ju-sung. Yes, Ju is repeating. Ju is the letter for their generation. Then Jinsu's father? Myung-il. There's no Ju. When the mother was pregnant, she saw a bright sun in her dream, so she decided to name her third child's name Myungil, which means bright sun. So here's the thing, it's not a mandatory to follow the letter of the generation. Then this time, let's go to the younger generation. Jinho's child's name is Hyojun, and Jinho's children are Hyomin and Hyori. Yes, Hyo is repeating in this case. So the letter of their generation is Hyo. And Jina has a girl whose name is Sohee. That's because Jina is a lady and she married to a man whose family name is Im. So their daughter Sohee is following the name system of Im family. And of course, her family name is also Im, not Kim. Jinsu has two children, Namu and Bada, which means tree and sea. Both are Hangul name. There's no Chinese character for their name. Let me sum up. In general, Koreans have two letters for the first name. One letter is shared by the same generation, Jin-a, Jin-u, Jin-su, and the other one is given only to that person, Jin-a, Jin-u, Jin-su. But parents can make their children's name by selecting their favorite letters, sounds, or meaning. Myungil, the bright sun, and their Hangul word names as well. Namu, Bada. Last, I didn't mention about this on the previous page. Parents or the grandparents can go to a name-making specialist to get help to find the best name for their children or grandchildren. And now it's time to learn how to ask or say names. We already saw that the family name is Song and the first name is 이름 in Korean, but there is 4 more terms. 이름, 성함, 성명, 존함, 함자. They all stand for name. But what's the difference? That is the level of politeness. 이름 and 함자 both means first name. While 이름 is most commonly used, it's a moderate. 함자 is a very polite expression. And 성명, 성함, 존함, all 3 means full name. But again, 성명 is moderate, 성함 is a polite expression, and 존함 is a very, very polite expression. Then let me show you how to use these 5 different terms in a conversation. Expression with 이름, the level of politeness is moderate. 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 바다요. 김바다요. 이름 means first name, but it also can be used for the full name as well. So 바다 can answer in 2 ways, 바다요 or 김바다요. And the word 이름 can be used for other things like names of places, names of objects, etc. Expressions with 성함, the level of politeness is polite. Here's the situation. You meet a new business partner for the first time. Then you might ask, 성함이 어떻게 되세요? 성함이 어떻게 되세요? And that person would say, 제 이름은 김바다입니다. This person should say 이름, not 성함. 제 성함은 부부, 제 이름은. Yes, because you don't use the polite term for yourself. So 제 이름은 김바다입니다. Or simply 김바다라고 합니다 is also possible. 김바다라고 합니다. Expressions with 존함 and 함자. The level of politeness is extremely polite. 조남이 어떻게 되십니까? 조남이 어떻게 되십니까? 함자가 어떻게 되십니까? Frankly, you wouldn't have so much chance to listen to these words, so let's go to the next page. 성명, the level of politeness is moderate. 성명 is not used in a conversation, but you'll see this on the paper, for example, in an airport, in a hospital, bank, or in an immigration office. You will see such a table, 성 and 명. 성 means family name and 명 means first name. So you just put your family name next to 성 and your first name next to 명. Summary. Family name comes first in Korea. Women don't change their family name even they get married. In most cases, each letter stands for a Chinese character with a certain meaning. There are Hangul word names without Chinese character. There's a level of politeness of the word name. Remember just the three. 이름, moderate, 성함, polite, and 성명 for the paperwork. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 안녕히 계세요.